can see scent leaf. This is the next batch of our Eco Bio Booster. This is batch 2 loading. Here the materials are already flying from different states, different regions. Remember, I always tell you that these plants and grasses, weeds we use in producing Eco Bio Booster is from different regions. You hardly see all of them in one region. So as of now, they are flying in. Let me show you where we have already reached. The next batch is loading now. This batch will be fully fortified. The cost is not going to be the same 50k, please. For those of you that said I made video at the price is 50k, that video can last for decades, even centuries, because in as much as this platform is still on, the video will still be there, unless there is anything that happened in due course. But for now, the statement can be there, but the price may change at any time. We are in an economy. The economy determines the price of products, and this particular one I'm preparing now, the cost of bringing them down here and the cost of gathering all the materials at the end will shoot higher than the former one. So it's not going to be the same price again. So if you have missed the former one, it means you should be ready to pay higher for this particular batch. This is batch 2 loaded. Batch 1 is exhausted. If you are coming for it now, you have to wait. Batch 1 is already exhausted. When I was telling you to remain 4 containers, 2 containers, 3 containers, some think it's market strategy. No. This is the next batch. Prepare for higher price of the Eco Bio Booster. The feed booster is still available. When this batch finishes, the next batch is loading. That batch cannot be the same price again. It's impossible. It cannot be the same price again. And it's coming with everything differently and better than the former ones. So get ready. Let me show you some of the grass that have already landed from different states and even different side of Africa. Even some are not even in Nigeria. Some of these plants are not here in Nigeria. We are importing them from other countries. Let me show you the ones that have already landed so that you have an idea. When I'm telling you that we have more than 300 to 500 grasses, weeds and other extracts that are composed to make this particular Eco Bio Booster, some think is market strategy. No, let me show you the ones that have already landed, and many are still coming in. Let's get there. If this particular video interests you, try and give videos a thumb up, please. Give video a thumb up. Tap that sign, thumb up. Simple. You are not paying for it. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. Once you subscribe, activate the bell notification. Together, our 2 channels. Make sure you subscribe to both channels because we upload our videos on different channels. And we don't upload the same video on the same channel, different videos. So for you to get all my videos, you make sure you subscribe to all the channels. Let me show you the plant and tell you some of their names and where they come from so that you have an idea of what you're doing. Others are still landing. More than hundreds of them are still landing and they are coming in. You can see this is less than 1/3. Less than 1/3 of the weeds, grasses and crops we need for this Eco Bio Booster. Less than 1/3 have landed. You can see here we have neem. See we have neem here. See neem here. We have neem here. This one can see neem here. Can see we have pawpaw leaf here. Can see we have pawpaw leaf here. You can see we have tree spinach here, also known as blood. Hospital is too far. You can see it. You can see tree spinach is here. You can see most of them are here. You can see them in large quantity. You can see banana and plantain leaf is here. You can see the spices, all the spices. You can see cedar acuta is here. You can see cedar acuta is here also. There are many. You can see most of them. These are the scent leaves are here. See them here. See the scent leaves. There. Some of them are getting dried. See the scent leaves. You can see the scent leaves. can see the water leaves. You can see all the plants are here. You can see mango leaf here. You can see the mango leaves. You can see lemon fruits. You can see aloe vera. Some of them is not yet enough. You can see aloe vera. You can see banana and plantain flower here. You can see many of them. You can see the lemon here. Lemon. You can see this is Fuku composed formula. You can see cedar acuta. You can see bitter leaf. You can see banana and plantain leaves also. You can see more of this. You can see this is complete onion peel here. Many of them are just coming in gradually. They are coming one after the other. All these plants, 1/3. It's not yet up to the 1/3 of them. You can see scent leaf. You can see spinach. 3 spinach is here. Water spinach is here. You can see them. You can see banana leaves. You can see banana and plantain flower. You can see banana flower. See plantain flower. See aloe vera. You can see blood tree. This is blood tree. You can see them here. You can see scent leaf, tongue leaf. You can see them. The one we call green. You can see them here. You can see water leaf. You can see cedar acuta is here. You can see pawpaw. Pawpaw leaf is here. Pawpaw leaf is here. You can see most of them. You can see cocoyam leaf is here. See cocoyam leaf is here. You can see most of them. They're all landing. You can see neem. Neem is here. Neem is here. You can see neem. You can see this one is ogi. Ogi leaf is here also. Ogi leaf is here. This is neem here. Cedar acuta, bitter leaf, scent leaf, Indian spinach. Spinach is here. You can see most of them. All these plants. You can see onion peel. You can see lemon and you can see lemon here. You can see lemon. All these things are parts. They are few of the mango leaf is here also. See mango leaf here. See them. This is less than 1/3. Others are still flying in. Tomorrow we are receiving another set of tea. We are receiving it throughout this week before we start the process. After this, after gathering all, we will now grind them together. After grinding them, we are going to use we'll ferment them for the next 6 to 8 weeks. Process it to get our next batch of Eco Bio Booster. You can make deposit if you want, if you like. If you don't like, you wait. You can see this is the pumpkin. This is pumpkin leaf. Many others are coming in. Many others are still flying in. We are taking this week to gather them from different states. Then next week we start the process. But before then, it's batch by batch. We're going to ferment this one batch. These ones goes together. We're going to ferment them separately. Then others will be fermented separately before finally we join them together and make our next batch of Eco Bio Booster. Watch them. There are too many here. You can see. Are you seeing it? You can see it. You can see them. All these plants, we have the antibiotic plant here, we have parasitic plant, we have immune booster, We have stress releaser. We have pen releaser here also. We have and both end the parasites can be handled by some of these plants. We have fungal, antifungal plant here. All of them are here. They're all here. Wonderful plants, wonderful, many of them. Cocoyam, see them. We have energy plant here. All these are going together for one product. This will tell you that this product is superb. This aloe vera is not enough. This will go with only this alone. We are still expecting our garlic, ginger, lemon, African black pepper, many of them, castus alpha and rest of them flying from eastern parts of the country is coming in. Breadfruit is still coming on others, many. More than 1/3 is not yet here, so we're expecting them. Like this video, share it to reach more poultry farmers. Then if you need the Eco Booster, the price is not going to be the same with the former badge, but it's not yet ready. If you want to pay in advance, you can pay, because if it comes, we have more than 10 orders waiting on ground right now. When I was telling you we have only few containers left, some people think it's a market strategy. It's over. That's why I'm showing you this next buy, for you to know that we're not playing here. You can see that we have the materials already coming in. Many are still not available here. There are a lot of things that will not be included here that are not here yet. It reduces the cost of feeding. So you feed them less and they give you maximum result. It enhances egg production and growth rate in poultry, and most especially for layers. It fights internal parasites. It has internal artificial macronutrients like bacteria that are built in this particular product. It's go there and stand and cover the whole system and fight the external bacteria. That's why they hardly contact infection when you're using the particular product. It fights the external bacteria, which is a harmful bacteria. It fights them totally and remove them from the system, from the gut system, and cleanses the body system of your poultry and livestock animals. It fights internal parasites. It enriches gut microbiomes with probiotics. It detoxifies liver and blood, and it treats coccidiosis, diarrhea, and respiratory symptoms. It promotes meat quality and weight gain. The taste of your poultry meat will be different from the one you use synthetic. It promotes meat quality and weight gain, stimulates appetite and water intake, and reduces ammonia smell in droppings. Your poultry house will be very neat. You can even find your chicken just behind the house. You will not even notice that there's a farm there. It increases disease. Increases disease resistance naturally. The diseases can hardly attack your poultry best. So naturally, they are immune boosted to fight the external diseases. So no disease comes into them. So once they use it on daily basis, your poultry chicken will hardly have any infection at all, because they are already boosted and they are strong to fight any external bacteria. So they hardly contact. Keep good biosecurity, fascinate them, and make use of this product. Don't give them any water without this product. You get amazing results. Thank you for watching this video till now. Please like this video, give it a thumb up, share the video to reach more poultry and livestock farmers. You are going to enjoy the product if you can order today and tomorrow.